Hello everyone, myself Deepika, working as an assistant professor in RPIRT Technical and Medical Campus, Bastarda, Karnal. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about hematinics. Hematinics, these are the substances required in the formation of blood. ब्लड की फॉर्मेशन के लिए हमें क्या रिक्वायर होते हैं? हेमेटिनिक्स and are used for treatment of anemias. Anemias is a condition in which there is deficiency of blood. सो हेमेटिनिक्स जैसा कि ब्लड फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प करते हैं उनके लिए रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं, तो इसलिए हम इनको यूज़ करते हैं इन treatment of anemias. Anemia occurs when the balance between production and destruction of RBCs is disturbed by following, like blood loss that may be acute or chronic, impaired red cell formation due to deficiency of essential factor that is iron, vitamin B12, folic acid, bone marrow depression, and erythropoietin deficiency. And it may be also due to increased destruction of RBCs, that is hemolytic anemia. So first one is iron. Iron has for long been considered important for the body. Lahu bhasma, that is calcined iron, has been used in ancient Indian medicine. According to Greek thought, Mars is the god of strength, and iron is decided to Mars. As such, iron was used to treat weakness, which is common in anemia. Distribution of iron in body, it is distributed into hemoglobin, that is Hb 66%, iron stored as ferritin and hemosiderin, that is 25%, myoglobin in muscles 3%, parenchymal iron in enzyme which is 6%. Daily requirement of iron to make good average daily loss. Iron requirements are adult male 0.5 to 1 mg, adult female 1.2 mg, 1 से 2 mg, menstruating infants 60 microgram per kg, children's 25 microgram per kg, प्रेगनेंसी में 3 to 5 mg हम जो रिक्वायर होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू 80 माइक्रोग्राम पर केजी. Dietary sources of iron from which we are take iron, like rich liver, egg yolk, oyster, dry beans, dry fruits, wheat germs and yeast. Medium meat, chicken, fish, spinach, banana, apple. एंड पुअर मिल्क एंड ईट्स प्रोडक्ट्स एंड रूट वेजिटेबल. जो हम मेनली अगर हमें जो है लार्ज अमाउंट में चाहिए देन हम रेफ़र करेंगे जो रिच हैं, देन मीडियम एंड देन पुअर. आयरन एब्जॉर्प्शन, द एवरेज डेली डाइट कंटेन्स 10 to 20 mg of iron. Its absorption occurs all over the intestine but majority in the upper part. Dietary iron is present either as a heme and as inorganic iron. Absorption of heme iron is better up to 35% compared to inorganic iron, which is averages 5% and occur directly without the aid of a carrier. Next is its transport, utilization, storage and excretion. Transport, iron is transported inside erythropoietic and other cells through attachment of transferrin to specific membrane bound transferrin receptor, that is TFRS. Utilization, iron dissociate from the complex at the acidic pH of the intracellular vesicles and then released iron is utilized for hemoglobin synthesis or other purposes. Storage, iron is stored in RE cells in liver, spleen marrow, spleen, bone marrow, as well as in hepatocytes and myocytes as ferritin and hemosiderin. Excretion. Iron is conserved by the body. Daily excretion in adult male is 0.5 to 1 mg, mainly as exfoliated, that is mucosal cells, some RBCs, and in bile, almost in feces. Other routes and desquamated skin, very little in urine and sweat. So it's all about the iron hematinics. Thank you. Have a nice day.